Have you ever wondered how those big accounts make perfect short videos so quickly? I am going to open up the dashboard and show you exactly how it is done. Hello guys and welcome to Stack Review. Today we are looking at a new tool called ReelXpress AI. My goal is to show you if this tool can really help your business. Let me ask you something. Have you tried making short videos? Maybe you spend hours editing just one small clip, or maybe you feel shy and do not want to be on camera. It can feel frustrating when you work hard but still get very few views. Many people give up because it feels too difficult. But what if there was a simple way for you? Now before we continue, I want to show you something special I have put together for you. Take a quick look at this. You might have the best tool in the world, but if your niche is dead, you will not see real result. That is exactly why I created these bonuses. They are designed to solve this problem and help you move forward much faster. The first bonus is ReelXpress AI Viral Niche Checklist. This is your filter to find high demand markets. It helps you focus only on niches where people are ready to buy. This means you will not waste time creating content that never converts. Second bonus is the Faceless Creator Mini Guide. This guide shows you how to build a valuable brand without showing your face. You can create content, grow your audience, and monetize your channel while staying completely anonymous. Next bonus is ReelXpress AI Scroll Stop Prompt Pack. This pack gives you powerful hooks and prompts designed to stop people from scrolling. It helps you keep viewers watching your videos until they click your link. Next bonus is the $1,000 per month Faceless Case Study. This is a real strategy showing how a faceless content system can reach $1,000 per month. You can follow the same steps to understand how a small channel can produce real profit. The next bonus is a short algorithm traffic guide. This guide explains how the Shorts algorithm works and how to get your videos pushed to the right audience. It helps you get thousands of views from people who are interested in your content. The total value of this entire bonus package is $585. To get all of these bonuses, simply click the link in the description below and purchase through my link. After you complete your purchase, the bonus will be waiting for you automatically inside your members area. Now let's take a look at ReelXpress AI in action. I am going to show you exactly how this system works from start to finish. First, you start by choosing a topic for your video. In this example, we are using a story about a brother's girlfriend. Next, you can select your script style. You can see options like confession or Reddit style right here on the screen. You also pick if you want the story told in the first, second or third person. Then you set the orientation of your video, the length and even the spice level of the story. Once you are ready, you just hit the button to generate the content. Now we move the second step, which is the voice. You can enter a username and add fun emojis to the text. You also pick the layout style for the background. After that, it is the time to create the voiceover. You can see many different voices to choose from. After you pick one, the system takes just a few seconds to get your audio ready. You can even add background music from the list of tracks available. Next, you choose your background video. You can pick from several high quality videos in the library to match your story. Then comes the caption design. You can select from different presets and then change the color, the font style and even the animation to make the text pop. Finally, you can adjust the volume for both the music and the voice narration. When you are happy with everyone, You submit it for rendering. In just a few minutes, your full video is ready to use. If you want to see more, you can find the link for full details in the description below. If you want to grow on social media without showing your face, this tool can help you. If you want to build a fast faceless brand, this is a strong option. But if you enjoy editing every video manually, you may not need this. For most people, this tool can make the process much easier. If you want to try the ReelXpress AI, click the link in the description below. I have also pinned the link in the first comment to make it easy for you. Go check the current price and see the discount they are offering right now. And remember, when you use my link, you will also get all of my exclusive bonuses. Thank you for watching Stack Review. I will see you in the next video.